Away they go. The Sergeant Mount Panamo from the outside, moving up by the rail is Hot Gossip. The Surgeon Hot Gossip Danori inside, Swab Tiger. Gold-plated key Mount Panama, Bagong Silang Golden Hana, and Blue Chic is the early trailer. The Surgeon followed by Hot Gossip in second. Gold-plated keys racing third alongside the Swab Tiger. Bagong Silang Danori inside and Mount Panama. And during the far turn, the Surgeon Had Gossip in the middle. Gold-plated keys on the outside. Swab Tiger is racing in fourth. Had Gossip this time by 3/4 of a length. And gold-plated keys on the outside. The Surgeon Swab Tiger is still racing in fourth as they race the final corner. At Gossip still leading by 3/4 of a length. The Sergeant Danori inside, gold-plated keys, Swab Tiger. Bagong Silang Danori inside Mount Panama. Had Gossip, the Sergeant Danori inside. Alongside the Sergeant Had Gossip on the outside. And nearing the finish line, the Sergeant Had Gossip, Swab Tiger. Blue Chic, Golden Hana, gold-plated key, Mount Panama, and Bagong Silang.